In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font style in Microsoft Word. This is a fundamental skill that can help you personalize your documents and give them the exact look you want. Whether you're preparing a report for work, an essay for school, or just a personal note, knowing how to adjust fonts will give you the flexibility to communicate more effectively. To get started, you'll first want to open your document in Word. Ensure the document you want to edit is open and ready. Begin by selecting the portion of text you want to change. If you wish to modify the entire document, pressing Ctrl+A will quickly select all the text for you. This shortcut can save you time, especially in longer documents, and allows you to make comprehensive changes with ease. With your text selected, turn your attention to the Home tab located on the ribbon at the top of the Word window. The ribbon is where you access most of the commands and features you'll use, and today we're going to focus on the font group within this tab. Now, let's dive into customizing your font. First, in the font group, find the Font drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to a wide variety of font faces, everything from classic options like Times New Roman and Arial to more creative choices. Take a moment to scroll through and select the font that best suits your needs. Once you've picked a font face, the next step is adjusting the size. Right next to the font drop-down, you'll see the font size menu. You can click this to select a size from the options provided, or you can manually enter a specific number if you have a custom size in mind. Remember, larger sizes are great for headings, while smaller sizes are typically used for body text. Next, let's add a splash of color to your text with the font color icon, which is also located in the font group. Clicking this icon presents a palette of colors. By default, Word offers standard colors, but if you're looking for something unique, you can choose more colors for an extensive range of options. Adding color can help emphasize certain parts of your text, making them stand out to your readers. Finally, let's talk about styles. You have options like bold, italic, and underline, all of which are standard choices for altering the appearance of your text. These styles are perfect for emphasizing key points or headings, and you can apply them by simply clicking their respective icons while your text is still selected. Once you've made all your selections and changes, your text will update automatically to reflect the new font style you've chosen. Take a moment to review your document and ensure everything looks as you intended. With these tools, your document should now have the perfect blend of font face, size, color, and style to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create more visually compelling documents.